All right. What's going on? Facebook, YouTube, X, LinkedIn, TikTok, anywhere you are watching this right now. It's Bert, Ferguson, Realtor, coming to you guys with another video. As you guys know, I come to you guys weekly with videos on an array of real estate topics. A lot of people have been trying to reach out to me about buying a home, selling a home, a lot of questions. So I'm glad you guys are enjoying the videos. So you can reach out to me on my cell, 302-204-1347, or my email, bertf@rushhome.com, and I'm with the Rush Home team of Compass, and I service Delaware, Maryland, and Pennsylvania. All right. I've been doing real estate for 8 years this year, man, and I just was thinking about that the other day, and I also was thinking about how I said I was going to come to you guys with more intimate, more real, more authentic videos, and not just facts, figures, and data and stuff like that, because you know, when you're working with a realtor, that person is not only providing you a service, but they're going to be helping you with one of the most intimate and one of the biggest transactions you're ever going to do in your life. So you should know a lot about that person, what they're about, a little bit about their story. You know, you want to know, like, and trust them pretty early on, because you guys are going to be going through a lot of things together, right? So I've been doing this for 8 years, and I can't believe it. So today I wanted to make a video on why I became a realtor. Okay. So I started to think about that. Why did I become a realtor? And there were a few different reasons, but I'm going to tell you guys some of the key ones, right? The first thing is becoming a realtor was important to me because I saw and realized how home ownership for a lot of people, and I'm not talking about investors, I'm not talking about all you slick investors out there who make billions and millions of dollars just using properties to flip and do that. I'm talking about everyday people. Owning a home for these people, for us, for regular people, it's a game changer, right? My grandfather and grandmother both were homeowners. Both of my parents were homeowners. And, you know, I understand and saw what being a homeowner allowed for my life. And I also have been in situations where I was pretty much homeless growing up for a certain amount of time. And I'll get a little more into that too. But housing at one point in my growing up, in my adolescence, was not secure. And I just remember those times about how much it affected me, how it affected my education, how it affected my self-confidence and my self-worth, and so many different things, right? So housing, especially in this country, home ownership, more than just housing, home ownership is so important to outcomes for everybody. And I really want to give anybody who wants that opportunity, who has worked hard, gotten a job, meeting all the criteria, and even if you haven't yet, but you want to, I want to help those people, right? I want to take somebody who's never been able to purchase a home, who's never had a homeowner in their family, doesn't know anything about it, and take you over that hump to start that generational wealth, to start that generational push to now you own property and things are completely different. It creates stability and a better quality of life for so many people. And it did for me growing up. And I said, you know, housing is a perfect way to do my part. All right. Another reason why I became a realtor was because it gave me the freedom to do a lot of different things at once. I tried the college route. I started my own business before. I've worked for other people, a regular 9-to-5. All of those things never quite fit just right. But being a realtor, I get to do a little bit of everything: marketing, a little bit of sales. I get to talk to people. I get to go into beautiful homes. I get to go into not so beautiful homes. I get to know my area and the states that I service very intimately in each market. And that makes for great conversation. It makes for really great historical stuff that I can find out about neighborhoods and different homes and different home styles and so many things, right? I get to be the head of my own brand. I get to be like the ultimate entrepreneur with a product that literally everybody wants to get their hands on. Everybody wants to own a home, right? Because of the reasons I just talked about, right? The wealth that you can generate, the stability, the self-confidence it gives you. It's just the part of that American dream, right? The product that I'm in business with, everybody wants, and it really makes your life better. So I get to become, right, the ultimate entrepreneur, and it really just is awesome. It fits me perfectly. I really love it. Okay. And of course I didn't know that at first, but as I started to work through college and work through different businesses, I realized becoming a realtor was going to be one of the best opportunities to do all of the things that I want to do and be able to flex all of my different creative and business mind muscles and all of that stuff. Okay. Another reason why I became a realtor was because I felt like becoming a realtor and understanding the history of real estate, understanding the mechanisms that make real estate move would introduce me to people who I never would be able to meet before, at least not as readily available, and be able to have something of value to give them. I've always been a people person, and I've always wanted to figure out a way to meet people from all different walks of life in a way where I can give them super value, right? And being a realtor allows me to do that. I get to move through so many different strata of people. It's really, really cool. I really enjoy it. So I would say that becoming a realtor was one of the best decisions I ever made in my life. It's very, very difficult, but it's so rewarding as well. But that's why I became a realtor, right? To help people establish generational wealth and stability and just become a homeowner, and just that rewarding feeling, because I know what it felt like for me growing up and seeing it. Being able to flex all my different business muscles and be like 8 different things at once. My head is already doing a million things at one time. So being a realtor was perfect. And the last one was being able to meet a bunch of different important people who want to be important, people who see themselves one way, some people see themselves other way, and be able to actually offer them something. I get to be in rooms with people I never thought I would be in rooms with as a realtor, and I have an awesome service that I provide and can give them really pertinent data about one thing we all love, and that's our house, right? So that's why I became a realtor. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel below. I'll leave the little links below, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.